This is a demo of the ShearCAD beam function, namely the multi-span feature with varying spans. So when we go to do a beam, it scans backwards, finds the previous beam, and says, would you like to use those inputs? We say yes. This has to be a style 1, which is where on the end span the top bars lap in the center of the span. We also have style 2, which is the top bars on the end span goes all the way across the end span and then lap in the middle of the next span. And of course, style 3 is a single span. But right here we're talking multi-span, and therefore we're going with style 1. Notice we're going to have 4 spans here. You can have up to 13. You can have different support widths and different clear span lengths. We're going to draw the bars. And of course, this function is available in ShearCAD and also in Shear 97 estimating. We click a point and it's going to draw our spans for us. We're going to get 3 views. We're going to get an elevation at the bottom, plan view at the top, and in the middle is a end view. All bars are drawn to scale, of course. Even the thickness of the bar is drawn to scale. Let's take a closer look. Okay, panning across. The plan view is optional. You can turn that on and off. That's a ShearCAD preference. So you decide whether you even want to show the plan view. Here's the end view. Zoom out a little bit. Let's call this out. Call it beam 4, B4. We'll include the weight. I should have called it beam B2, that's what we called it earlier, but you get the idea. So we could redo the call out and retitle it beam B2. This is just one of our text call out formats. Draws a nice schedule of bars. We can even include the weight if you want to. So what if you want to change this beam to a certain extent? Let's add another span. Okay, span number 5 is 12-foot clear span and a 4-foot support on the right-hand side. ShearCAD takes care of everything and erases what it drew before, and it erases the lines on the blue screen and regenerates the lines on the blue screen and redraws everything and redoes the call out. So if you have any questions about this function or about ShearCAD in general, be sure to email us at info@erebar.com. That's info at the letter E like easy, followed by rebar, rebar.com. We zoom in a little bit. There's our call out. And that's the end of our ShearCAD beam multi-span with varying spans.